Hello, welcome to Ivatech. I'd like to introduce to you our superstructure, which holds a very strong electric motor. This superstructure can be used for several applications, such as very powerful snow blowers, small go-karts, or maybe even small cars. Uh, Here you are going to see an application for a 30-foot sailboat.
Well, here we have a 1980 Catalina sailboat. It's a 30-foot sailboat, and at the present time, it uses a internal combustion engine for propulsion. That's going to change. What we're going to do is we are going to replace the existing internal combustion engine with our superstructure made by Ivatech. It's going to be very eco-friendly, and it's going to deliver the same amount of horsepower but with more torque. All right, now we got to get inside the sailboat and let's see if this will work. Okay, closer.
Alright, so here we are on the cockpit of the sailboat, and well, it's time for us to get inside and show you guys the engine that we are going to replace.
Well, here we are inside the Catalina sailboat. Well, here we have the engine, and it's an all internal combustion engine, which I'm trying to get it out.
Deliver the same amount of horsepower as this engine. This engine is supposed to deliver 30 horsepower, and I think we can meet that.
Well, here we have the superstructure, which is
An electric motor. It probably weighs altogether like 60 to 70 pounds. Should be able to lift this.
it generates actually the same amount of horsepower with more torque than the internal combustion engine on the sailboat. The beauty about this is that it's very friendly for the environment. It's run by electric power, and it's very easy to maintain. As you can see, for now it has two belts that generates the right torque to the system, and it's very easy to tension the belts. Let me just loosen it up. Once you loosen that up, you
Could remove tension like this, as you can see. So you can change the belts as needed.
I was able to remove the belt very easily, and it just uses a standard B belt.
Which later I'm planning to replace it with a synchronous belt, but I haven't done that yet. Once you have the belts on it, just increase the tension. And this tensioning mechanism is dual. You only need one, but just in case one fails, you still have the other one. And once you get the right tension on the belts, just tighten the
and the electric motor right to it. This will be towards the center of the sailboat, and this end with a coupler, 1-inch coupler, goes towards the propeller channel. Like so. And of course these are your wires where electricity is going to flow right through it. The motor that I have here is actually 300 amps permanent magnet. The motor that I have here is actually 300 amps permanent magnet brush DC motor. One of the main difference between a DC motor and the typical internal combustion engine is just the torque that you get out of an electric DC motor is really quick. So you're going to feel that on your sailboat. And that's pretty much the basic structure. You know, you can just see it around.